Yellowbirds generally symbolize joy, happiness, positivity, and new beginnings, acting as a vibrant, optimistic omen of hope or a reminder to embrace creativity. Spiritually, they often represent intellectual energy, divine guidance, or the arrival of good fortune, appearing during times of transformation or personal growth. Yellowbirds are strongly associated with sunshine, happiness, and lightheartedness. Seeing a yellow bird often signifies the start of a new, positive life phase, often acting as a sign that you are on the right path. Yellowbirds are interpreted as messengers connecting the earthly realm with the spiritual, offering wisdom and comfort. They represent freedom of expression and the encouragement to explore one's creative passions. Yellowbirds are seen as symbols of inner strength and the ability to adapt, encouraging optimism during challenging times. In summary, seeing a yellow bird is widely regarded as a positive sign that brings a message of light, energy, and hope into your life.